Thanks for using Delta. We have this message, guys. Just click on home button and look at this. All scripts are aided successfully. What's up, fellas, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox. Absolutely free, safe, and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop. Then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys. And now we'll have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So go to your official profile on your Roblox and just copy your profile link. Okay, super easy. Let's get back to the our tool. Then you have paste button, press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. Next step is select on button and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. So I will select this. Let me click continue, guys, and let's see does it actually work. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites for now. This AppLoop is an amazing website for this. Okay, AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys. And now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher. With the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have a description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download TikTok. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task. I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. If you have this message, just wait for this redirecting, okay? And let's see the next step. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thanks for passing the boat check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. So I'm so excited to test these, guys. So let me open the game and let's see does it actually work. So let's see, guys. Okay, let me play this Grow Garden and let's see. Okay, guys, now we are in the game and as you can see we have this panel. So let me show you. Thanks for using Delta. We have this message, guys. Just click on home button and look at this. All scripts are aided successfully. Just click execute and join in your scripts. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this review. Thanks for watching and see you in the next. Bye.